Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about SOPHON targets, updates after listing with my customer maker set zone of interest. Let's dive in, guys. No makes sense to explain in every single video on this channel the intention accumulation pump model. How do I work with this model after listing for every single token? And this model got a pretty good win rate. You can open, I guess, the last 2-3 years tokens after listing, just adjust this model to the charts, and you'll find how it's playing out, and you could save a lot of money, a lot of nerves, and a lot of time. Take a look on the basic data for this token. Now the price around 6 cents. This token listed on KuCoin, the Binance, and the Max. I will use the KuCoin chart because on the KuCoin the listing price was 2 cents, on the Binance 3 cents. People from Binance Alpha now can claim the tokens and basically sell because it's basically the airdrop. Like usual, the same problem, only 20% tokens in circulatory supply. Next unlock in next 29 days. With this current circulatory supply, guys, now 2 billion, the market cap 127 million, FDV over than 600 million. So it's a problem of all of these brand new tokens. SOPHON is a model of blockchain powered by ZK-Sync. The chart of the ZK-Sync, you remember. If not, I'll recommend you go and double check it. So guys, with the fully unlocked tokens, it will be the 10 billion tokens. So $1, 10 billion market capitalization with the fully unlocked tokens. Fundraising rounds, guys, here on undisclosed round was here in zone 24. It's kind of interesting, right? October. And only now they launched the Binance Alpha. Kind of interesting, right? So not sale, not sale, not sale. And here was an undisclosed round in March 2024. Like the Spartan Group, the HTX Venture, the OKX Venture invested 10 million. And the launch pool was and still ongoing basically on Gate.io, right? And IAO. All right, guys. This channel, I recommend go and double check by yourself. Right, here's all unlocks, June. So basically every single month, right? Not a big unlocks, but anyway, it can affect the price. So we can work with the intention accumulation pump model and mark the zone of interest. So guys, zone of interest. This gonna be the first zone of interest. No, let's mark. This is a zone of fixation swing trade. This is a zone of interest. We're more than comfortable. Start use DCA strategy. I don't want to explain you how to work with this. That's why I highly recommend you go and check the educational video. So we'll save the time. Take a look, guys. This is a best zone to buy. Here, that's going to be the green one. For example, to fix profit after any of this level, 1, 2, 3, 4 levels, you can accumulate using this DCA. In validation of this idea, if the token dump on the listing price, if the token not drop to some of this zone of interest, I'm not touching the token because I can't buy and gamble randomly with every single token after listing. I need a plan, and I'm better just skip the token, but save my stable coins and not stocking a token for the next 2 years, for example. You can open the chart of Outlier, ZK-Sync, and double check how it's playing out. After that, when the people scream, we go into the moon, and after that we landed, right? Everybody start complaining, oh, it's a bad project. No, it's a bad strategy because you gamble randomly after listing. So that's a fact. From this block, fixation zone, 100%, you withdraw initial deposit, you build a plan, build a strategy. What I will do if we drop here, what I will do. I put some amount of money, what I can invest into this project, and I'm not worried about it if we drop lower or higher, but with a proper plan, if I invest at 3.73 at zone of fixation swing trades, I could withdraw initial deposit, forget about this token, wait new all-time high. For example, I believe, yes, this token can hit new all-time high. Now, even with kind of big differences between the FDV and the market capitalization, 124 million market cap, it's little and nothing for a token like this one. And especially when the BTC dominance will drop lower. So this is the next zone of interest, 263, 297. There's a zone of interest for the SOPHON. Take a look, guys, now with my customer set on the lowest time frames. Of course, you can smile because, oh, how you can analyze the tokens after leasing when we get only 2 not even 2, just 1 daily candle close. Guys, this model works all the time. We use it, and this model got a pretty win rate. Because why it works? Because everything what you see on the chart is just basic algorithm. It's algorithmic bots. The Soph drive the price and deliver the price to the right target of the market makers on the centralized exchanges, guys. Or do you really believe it's people 24/7 clicking on candles here on the premium trading view? You could track even on a second chart. So here, do you believe the whole world traded the token, right? And they click it, click, 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 right? And nobody can even put the price higher than here, for example. No orders here, right? 0.33%. Or here, we trade like 40, 50 seconds, right? And nobody traded. Just wait. So how it even possible? So the price is stable like this one on all exchanges, for example, in approximately. So guys, if you use the premium, I highly recommend you just an educational purpose. Double check sometimes the second charts, and you will be impressed. All right, guys, take a look at our time frame. We can hide the FIB, hide rectangles, and work with the data. So here, this is basically accumulation. Tiny accumulation on the 1 hour time frame. What does it mean? It means we can go now to even new all-time high, for example, and after that, just later in June or in July, dump it back to the zone of interest. This is a total euphoria on the market mode. Direction, no data. Let's double check on 30-minute time frame. Here, this is accumulation, but not crazy accumulation. We not even touch the green zone. Direction, we not even touch the bottom. That's why, yes, guys, I'm more than sure we will, sooner or later, we will see the zone of interest. Market mode, money power, market mode, even on 30-minute time frame. It's euphoria, money power here. RSI bullish divergence, 1, 2. So basically, 2 30-minute time frame candles, money inflow, pump for almost 4%. With a 10x leverage, it could be the 40%. You can use this set, even for the intraday trades, guys. So I highly recommend you to use it. Trade on 30-minute time frame, no data. 15-minute time frame, it was a signal to buy. Here is the recommendation close position 7%, 70% with a 10x leverage. Of course, guys, use stop losses. You can use this indicator set just like additional tool to your strategy. It's not a magic. Indicators can't predict, for example, the news on the market. They can't predict what Donald Trump trying to say in the next tweet in Truth Social. Trade on, we can close. Take profit, guys. 15-minute time frame, no data. 5-minute time frame here. Let's come back to the FIB here. The buy line for this token now, it's 4 cents 19. It's the first zone of interest. Everything what you see in the chart, it's not random. And it's not like withdrawing after the fact. So we can go to another time frame and you will find out, right? 15-minute time frame, it's not showing here because not enough data yet for the indicator. Buy line, so first zone of interest, fundamental value. So this is a buy line, this is fundamental value of the token, 3 cents 11. Take profit line, 8 cents 32. Exit line, new all-time high, over the new all-time high, 9 cents 41. I don't like this situation like this one when we trade in the middle, right? That's why, guys, I better skip now this token. So I'm wait at the zone of interest just maybe for the speculation. I totally don't care about this token and I want to invest in it, right? So I just look at some zones for swing trades or with leverages for speculation. So guys, all targets I showed you, all my idea I explained to you. Highly recommend you go and check the free educational video how to work with initiation accumulation pump model. If you like to work with my customer set, write me DM. Link will be under the description below. Subscribe channel. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.